Hi, this is Keshav. I work as a Python trainer in PySpiders. One of our student, he got placed recently. He will share some experience.
Hello, my name is Yashas Sourav and I completed my Masters from MS University of Applied Sciences in Applied Mathematics. I joined PySpiders in the month of February. So I completed my Python by June, July, and I just joined Django, and my SQL classes were done by Murli sir. So both Murli sir and Keshav sir did an amazing job in teaching the basics, and especially Keshav sir, who gave us a very core understanding about Python. Because of that, we were able to crack the interviews very easily, because since our basics were very strong in the classes, it was very easy for us to write Python. We learned writing Python codes, especially in pen and paper, so which helped us to debug the code very easily. So this was my experience, and I'm grateful for PySpiders and Keshav sir for training me thoroughly in the subject.
Okay, nice. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.